Access control is like the gatekeeper of your contract, deciding who can do what. It is super important to make sure it is working properly because if it's not, hackers can sneak in and do some serious damage. Here are a few real-world examples of how access control can go wrong. The anyone can mint flaw. Remember those fancy NFTs everyone was going crazy about? Well, some contracts had a flaw where anyone could create new NFTs, even if they weren't supposed to. This meant hackers could flood the market with fake NFTs, ruining the value of the real ones. The admin key hijack. Some contracts have a special admin account that can make changes to the contract. If someone steals the admin key, they can take complete control of the contract, changing the rules, stealing funds, or even deleting the whole thing. The permissionless problem. Sometimes contracts don't properly check who's trying to access them. This means anyone could send money to the contract and do things they are not supposed to, like changing the game's rules or stealing funds. So how do you prevent access control from going wrong? Here are a few tips. Keep it simple. Use a clear and well-defined system for granting permissions. Don't make it overly complex because that can lead to mistakes. Check your code. Thoroughly review your code to make sure it is properly checking permissions before allowing any actions. Use a whitelist. If you only want certain people to be able to use your contract, create a whitelist that lists their addresses. This way, only those on the list can interact with the contract. Use a blacklist. If you want to prevent certain people from using your contract, create a blacklist that lists their addresses. This way, only those not on the list can interact with the contract. Do not trust anyone. Always assume that someone might try to hack your contract. Do not rely on just one security measure. Use multiple layers of protection to make it harder for hackers to break in.